All right, today we got a big LG. This is a 12,000. Not sure the date on this or anything. Takes 410A. Worked on this for a couple of hours. It had like a vibration to the fan. So I ended up taking the whole back of this apart. I took the fan blade off and I couldn't find anything wrong with it. And eventually I found some loose mounting screws on the fan motor. So threads weren't stripped out or anything. You know, it screws into the plastic. So I ended up just putting epoxy on the screws and I tightened them back down. It doesn't seem to be vibrating now. So hope for the best with that. It's in pretty good shape. Just this panel's all busted up on the side here. It's split, cracked at the bottom. Other than that, it's pretty good shape. So let's turn it on. Compressor's on. Yeah, it runs really nice. I think this vent thing I think is supposed to be down here, but I can't seem to. If you put it down there, then you can't move the vent. So I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to go here. That's where I'm leaving it. Let's see. Yeah, so this is low fan. Yeah, it's got an LG compressor. I do not remember what the fan motor was in this. I can't really see the label on there. I don't remember what the fan motor was. So yeah, it runs pretty nice now. It's not vibrating anymore. So I think that'll work out. Yeah, I thought about just putting thread locker on the screws, but I'm not sure how well that, it's going to work on the plastic. I don't know if that's going to hold. So I just put some epoxy on it. There's medium. This has a nice fan in it. It's strong, but it's not loud or anything. Here's high. Yeah, the fan's quite nice in this. These big LGs usually have nice fans in them. It's a lot. Fan's a lot quieter than that frigid air I just showed recently. That one had a lot more wind noise. So yeah, this runs pretty good. Got 2 sets of louvers. Surprised the grill is still holding together on this. Yeah, these big air conditioners that, you know, the grills tend to break at the hinges and the panels end up breaking, and just because it's so big, you know, it flexes a lot when you move it around, and it's just how it is. So yeah, this runs pretty nice now, gotta say. I had the plug for this. It came out when I was washing it. I could put it back in. I could just leave it. So there you go. There's a big LG. See you next time.